Hello everyone, and welcome back to your channel name, where we share practical tips and life hacks to help you save money while living smarter. If you've ever walked into a Dollar Tree store or browsed their aisles online, you already know that it's a treasure trove of affordable finds. But what if I told you there are ways to maximize your savings even further? Today, we're diving deep into 25 Dollar Tree shopping hacks that will not only stretch your budget, but also elevate how you shop for everyday essentials. From creative uses for common items to insider strategies for scoring the best deals, this video is packed with actionable advice. Whether you're a seasoned bargain hunter or just starting to explore Dollar Tree's offerings, these hacks will revolutionize the way you think about shopping on a budget. So grab a pen or hit pause when needed, because you won't want to miss these game-changing tips. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Buy in bulk for meal prep. Dollar Tree offers pantry staples like rice, pasta, canned goods, and spices, all for just $1 each. Instead of buying small quantities elsewhere at higher prices, stock up during sales or when coupons align. These items have long shelf lives, making them perfect for meal prep or emergency food supplies. Hack number 2. Opt for off-brand cleaning supplies. Did you know that many Dollar Tree cleaning products work just as well as name-brand alternatives? Products like dish soap, laundry detergent, and surface cleaners can be purchased in bulk and stored for future use. Plus, they often come in eco-friendly packaging. Hack number 3. Repurpose spice containers. Empty spice jars from Dollar Tree can be cleaned and reused for homemade seasoning blends or storing small items like screws, beads, or craft supplies. This simple hack saves money and reduces waste. Hack number 4. Use bins and baskets for storage. Dollar Tree's plastic bins and woven baskets are incredibly versatile. Use them to organize closets, pantries, or kids' toys. They're durable, stylish, and cost a fraction of what similar organizers would at other stores. Hack number 5. DIY drawer dividers. Pick up foam boards or cardboard dividers from Dollar Tree and create custom drawer organizers. Cut them to size and arrange them however you need, perfect for utensils, makeup brushes, or office supplies. Hack number 6. Transform mason jars. Mason jars sold at Dollar Tree are an absolute steal. You can use them for everything from drinkware to candle holders, or even fill them with dry goods like flour, sugar, or snacks. And hey, why not label them for added organization? Hack number 7. Make your own skincare products. Many Dollar Tree skincare basics like coconut oil, aloe vera gel, and cotton rounds can be combined to create DIY face masks, scrubs, or moisturizers. Not only does this save money, but it also allows you to control the ingredients. Hack number 8. Stretch shampoo and conditioner. Purchase travel-sized shampoo and conditioner bottles from Dollar Tree and refill them with your favorite salon brands. This hack makes traveling easier and helps reduce waste from oversized containers. Hack number 9. Create custom gift sets. Pair Dollar Tree beauty items like hand creams, lip balms, and nail polish with cute gift bags or ribbons to create thoughtful gifts for friends and family without breaking the bank. Hack number 10. Decorate on a shoestring. Dollar Tree has an incredible selection of seasonal decorations year-round. Stock up post-season when items go on clearance and store them for next year. For example, Christmas ornaments bought in January will still look festive next December. Hack number 11. Craft your own wreaths. Pick up artificial greenery, floral stems, and wreath forms from Dollar Tree to design custom wreaths for any occasion. These handmade pieces add a personal touch and save hundreds compared to store-bought options. Hack number 12. Host budget-friendly parties. From plates and napkins to party favors and balloons, Dollar Tree has everything you need to throw a memorable celebration without overspending. Mix and match themed decor for birthdays, holidays, or baby showers. Hack number 13. Shop clearance sections first. Always check the clearance section before heading to regular shelves. You'll find discounted items that are still perfectly usable, especially around seasonal transitions. Hack number 14. Combine coupons with sales. Yes, Dollar Tree accepts manufacturer coupons. Pair them with weekly sales flyers or app deals to score free or deeply discounted items. Keep an eye out for printable coupons online too. Hack number 15. Visit multiple locations. Inventory varies by location, so visiting multiple Dollar Tree stores can increase your chances of finding hidden gems or limited edition products. Hack number 16. Turn picture frames into trays. Wooden picture frames from Dollar Tree can be flipped over, painted, and fitted with handles to create chic serving trays. Perfect for parties or home decor. Hack number 17. Build a mini greenhouse. Use clear plastic storage bins from Dollar Tree to create mini greenhouses for starting seedlings indoors. Drill holes for ventilation, and voila! You've got a functional gardening tool. Hack number 18. Make no-sew fabric book covers. Fabric scraps from Dollar Tree's craft section can be used to cover books or journals. Simply wrap the fabric tightly around the item and secure with glue or clips. It's a fun and inexpensive way to personalize your belongings. Hack number 19. Assemble first aid kits. Stock up on bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers to assemble your own first aid kits. Dollar Tree's low prices make it easy to prepare for emergencies without overspending. Hack number 20. Create portable snack packs. Fill Ziploc bags with Dollar Tree snacks like crackers, granola bars, and trail mix to create portable snack packs for road trips, school lunches, or work breaks. Hack number 21. Build a rainy day supply kit. Gather essentials like batteries, flashlights, and water bottles to build a basic emergency kit. Dollar Tree's affordability ensures you're prepared for unexpected situations. Hack number 22. Use contact paper for quick updates. Contact paper from Dollar Tree can transform outdated furniture or countertops. Apply it to surfaces for an instant refresh that looks high-end but costs pennies. Hack number 23. Organize cords with bread ties. Repurpose bread ties from Dollar Tree loaves to keep cords and cables neatly bundled. This simple hack keeps your space tidy and clutter-free. Hack number 24. Make homemade gifts. Combine Dollar Tree candles, mugs, and candy to create charming gifts for teachers, coworkers, or neighbors. Add a ribbon or tag for a personalized touch. Hack number 25. Always have backup supplies. Keep extras of frequently used items like batteries, light bulbs, or toiletries on hand. Dollar Tree's unbeatable prices make it easy to maintain a well-stocked household. There you have it, 25 Dollar Tree shopping hacks designed to help you save money, stay organized, and unleash your creativity. From stocking up on pantry staples to crafting unique gifts, these tips prove that smart shopping doesn't mean sacrificing quality or style. The key takeaway? With a little ingenuity and resourcefulness, you can transform everyday Dollar Tree finds into valuable assets for your home, health, and happiness. If you enjoyed these hacks, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly tips and tricks. Drop a comment below sharing which hack was your favorite, or let us know if you have a clever Dollar Tree trick of your own. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving and happy shopping.